Another day, another Rampa today. What's up, what's up? Hello mga karampa and welcome to Humphrey G World. And now mga karampa, let's continue our Rampa of the day. This area, OMG, it's their shop. And not just a shop ha, super unique yung mga items. You won't find this in the mall, promise. Parang curated pieces from another world, my artsy stuff, my handmade, my quirky finds. Grabe, super aesthetic. Then napadpad naman ako sa isang corner na iba yung feels. Like, wait lang, bakit parang may ibang energy dito? It's more chill, more earthy, and more zen. And the lanterns mga karampa, grabe, it's made of bamboo. It's so local, so sustainable, and so bongga. And then OMG, stop everything. I saw this staircase, as in, mala royalty ang peg. I had to do a super walk, parang fashion show meets enchanted forest. Every step, grabe, it's a moment. Iba yung drama talaga dito. Parang cinematic at parang may director na nagsasabi sa gilid na action. Mga karampa, if you're looking for a place to feel like a main character, this is it. Don't walk. Rampa your way here. O siya, marami pa akong mga kaartehan dito mga karampa. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!